Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing light that left its source before our sun existed, before Earth existed, before the Milky Way had even taken shape. That light has been traveling toward you for over 13.6 billion years, and the James Webb Space Telescope just caught it. Welcome back. Today we're traveling to the very edge of the observable universe and the very beginning of time, to meet a galaxy that has rewritten the textbooks. Its name is JADES Z14-0, and what it has revealed about the dawn of the cosmos is nothing short of extraordinary. Let's start with a little context, because to truly appreciate what we've found, we need to understand what we were looking for, and why it took a telescope like JWST to find it. The universe began about 13.8 billion years ago in the Big Bang. For the first several hundred million years, the cosmos was dark, a thick fog of hydrogen gas with no stars, no galaxies, no light. Astronomers call this era the cosmic dark ages. Then, slowly, gravity pulled matter together. The first stars ignited. The first galaxies were born. This period is called cosmic dawn, one of the most pivotal chapters in the history of everything. But here's the challenge. Those earliest galaxies are so impossibly far away that their light has been stretched by the expansion of the universe. What began as visible or ultraviolet light has been redshifted, pulled into the infrared part of the spectrum, by the time it reaches us. And infrared light is exactly what JWST was built to see. Its giant golden mirror, 6.5 meters across, and its exquisitely sensitive infrared detectors make it the perfect time machine for peering into those first few 100 million years. Enter the JADES survey, the JWST Advanced Deep Extragalactic Survey. This was a massive, coordinated observing campaign where astronomers pointed JWST at a tiny patch of sky for hundreds of hours, collecting the faintest whispers of ancient light. And buried in that data was something extraordinary, a galaxy with a redshift of Z equals 14.32. That number might sound abstract, but let me make it visceral for you. It means we are seeing this galaxy as it existed just 290 million years after the Big Bang. The universe was less than 2% of its current age. JADES Z14-0 is the most distant, and therefore the oldest, galaxy ever confirmed by humanity. Now pause on that for a second. 290 million years after the Big Bang, our own Milky Way wouldn't form for billions of years after that. The solar system wouldn't exist for another 9 billion. And yet, here is a galaxy, already alive, already burning, already building itself from the raw chaos of the early universe. But what makes JADES Z14-0 so scientifically explosive isn't just its age, it's what it looks like. Because according to our models, a galaxy this early should be small, primitive, and dim. A faint smudge of gas and newborn stars just beginning to flicker to life. That is not what JWST found. JADES Z14-0 is massive. It contains more than 500 million solar masses worth of stars. Let that sink in, 500 million times the mass of our sun, packed into a galaxy that existed when the universe was barely an infant. It is luminous, shining with the light of hundreds of millions of stars, and its size, larger than 1,600 light-years across, is far bigger than theorists expected for something this ancient. This is the mind-blowing moment. This galaxy should not be this big, it should not be this bright, it should not be this chemically complex. And yet there it is. JWST's spectrograph didn't just detect the galaxy, it analyzed the chemical fingerprints of its light, and astronomers found oxygen. Oxygen, a heavy element that can only be forged inside stars and then scattered by their deaths in supernova explosions. The presence of oxygen means this galaxy had already lived through multiple generations of stellar birth and death, all within the first 290 million years of the universe. That is staggeringly fast by cosmic standards. It means star formation in the early universe was happening at a rate and efficiency we simply did not anticipate. So what does this tell us? It tells us our models of galaxy formation need serious revision. The standard picture, where galaxies grow gradually, assembling themselves piece by piece over billions of years, cannot easily explain a galaxy like this. Something about the early universe allowed matter to collapse and form stars at a breakneck pace. Perhaps dark matter halos formed faster than expected, providing the gravitational scaffolding for rapid star birth. Perhaps the gas in the early universe was more efficiently converted into stars. Perhaps there are physical processes we haven't yet accounted for. The honest answer is, we don't fully know, and that is exactly why discoveries like this one are so thrilling. JADES Z14-0 is not just the oldest galaxy we've ever seen. It's a puzzle. It's a challenge. It's the universe holding up a mirror and saying, "You think you understand me? Look again." And JWST is just getting started. This discovery came from one targeted deep field survey. As astronomers continue to analyze JWST data, there may be more galaxies like this hiding in the infrared, or even older ones waiting to be found. Every observation pushes the frontier a little further back, a little closer to that first flash of cosmic fire. There's something profoundly humbling about all of this. The light we captured from JADES Z14-0 left that galaxy 13.6 billion years ago. That galaxy may not even exist anymore. It has had more than 13 billion years to evolve, merge with other galaxies, transform into something unrecognizable. What we see in JWST's data is a ghost, a snapshot of a cosmic ancestor that lived and burned in the darkness before our world was even a thought. And we caught it. With mirrors and mathematics and decades of human ingenuity, we reached back across the abyss of time and touched the dawn of the universe. That's the power of astronomy. That's the power of curiosity. Not just to ask where we came from, but to actually look. If this journey to the edge of time and the beginning of everything left you breathless, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who love the cosmos as much as we do. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we are just getting started exploring the universe's deepest secrets together. And drop a comment below. I want to know, does it fill you with wonder or does it fill you with questions? For me, it's both, every single time. Next time, we're going even deeper into what JWST is revealing about the cosmic dark ages, and the moment the first stars switched on for the very first time. Trust me, you do not want to miss it.